This is a visual representation on how to change the factory incandescent reverse light bulbs to LED. The necessary tools are T20 and 25 Torx bit drivers, and a pick or a trim pry tool, though gentle use with a pick works better, and two PH16W LED bulbs with resistor to avoid errors in the driver's information display. Begin by opening the trunk. Next, slide the trim removal tool between the access panel and the outer taillight. Bring the tool near the bottom and pull the access panel outward to remove. Next, remove two T25 Torx bolts from the taillight. Remove the taillight from its place by pulling directly rearward. Then remove the connector by pressing the tab. It may be helpful to push the connector inward before pulling it off, as this will assist in breaking the seal. Place the taillight on a suitable work surface and remove three T20 Torx screws on the access panel. Set the access panel aside and you will see your factory bulb. Shown here is the LED bulb already installed. Remove two more T20 screws holding the bulb and gently pull it directly upward from its place. Disconnect the two connectors. Installation of the new bulb is the reverse of the disassembly. The new LED may or may not be polar sensitive. This can be tested by plugging the bulb into the taillight and the taillight into the car and testing before finishing assembly. If the bulb does not light, then swap the connectors on the bulb. With the bulb in place, tuck the resistor off to the side. Take care to ensure the safe placement of the wires. Replace the access panel and screws. Reconnect the taillight. The connector will gently click when fully engaged. The taillight has a guide pin near the lower outer corner. Align this and snap into place. Replace the T25 bolts and do not over-tighten. They only need to be snug. Tuck the access panel underneath the rain tray and gently snap into place.